how to use BlueGPT as YouTube assistant. So for that, you can head over and then just create a chat with BlueGPT and you can ask them anything. Like for example, give me the best topics about WIC. So let's put that, topics about WIC. That will guarantee me. So let's send that to them. And then from in there, so you can see this. So let's send that. And then from in there, they will show you this right here. So usually this will actually also feature in here some features as well as SEO, e-commerce, portfolio website, types of businesses, common mistakes. So you can also prompt them to give you a certain word. So for example, let's say, give me 50 of them. So you can say that and you can actually ask and also create those videos or topics that they will show you. As you can see, they also have a comparison like Wix versus WordPress, how to use Wix to build a portfolio website, and a lot more on this case. As you can see, they will give you all of this. And you can also ask them for a thumbnail idea. Give me thumbnail idea. So let's say that. And then they will show us a thumbnail idea, like full text, before and after, step by step, and a lot more. So that's how you use BlueGPT as YouTube assistant. Hope we help.